Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix WhatsApp not showing online status. So if WhatsApp is not showing your online status, this can be in two ways. It's either that it's not showing your own online status, or the person you're trying to view the online status for is not showing. In order to first fix the first thing about your own status not showing, it's really easy. Just head over to chats, just like this. Once you've opened WhatsApp, then go to the bottom right at settings, click on privacy, click on last seen online, and make sure to enable who can see when I'm last online, basically, or it says who can see when I'm online. Make sure it's set to everyone. Once you've done that, everyone will be able to see when you're online, basically. Now, if you're trying to view when another person is online and it's just not showing, then it's most likely just because of that person not having that enabled, and there's nothing you can basically do about it. You either need to tell them to enable it by going into privacy, last seen in online, and also clicking on everyone. But yeah, they maybe have just turned that off because they don't want you to see that, and there's no other way to basically fix that. And yeah, that's basically all I have for you in this video. So if you learned something in this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.